So capillaries. This is a capillary here. The one thing we do know is it's one cell thick. So it's got an endothelia, which is the outside wall, and it's only one cell thick. And that's because that enables gases, i.e. oxygen and nutrients and carbon dioxide and waste, to travel through the wall of the capillary. So there's a large extensive network of the capillaries, and they link so what happens is the artery links to the arterial, and then the arterial links to the capillary. The capillary then links to the venule, and then takes it to the vein. They're the smallest blood vessel that we've got in the body. They're very thin in terms of the walls, like I said, and they're quite narrow in comparison to the vessels that we've touched on before. So very, very small vessels. That's the smallest we've got in our body. Key job is to diffuse oxygen and carbon dioxide, also nutrients and waste products. So for instance, oxygen's used up, turns to carbon dioxide, and is transferred back into the blood to get out of the body. Also, it transfers nutrients, so you need to feed your muscles food or nutrients to be able to work. And it also gets rid of waste products. So when those muscles work and they create waste products such as urea or whatever it is, it would transfer, or lactic acid for instance, it would transfer that lactic acid to a place where it needs to go in the body. So capillaries surround muscles, and they ensure that the muscles get oxygenated, so that they can create energy. The walls of the capillary, like we said, are one cell thick and allow nutrients and oxygen and waste products to be transferred. The number of capillaries in the muscle may be increased through to frequent and appropriate exercise. If you train, there's something that's called capillarization, where you increase your capillary network. The pressure of the blood within the capillaries is higher than the veins, but it is less than the arteries. So that refers to the lumen. If we remember, our artery has a very small lumen, which means it's got high pressure, and the vein has a large lumen, which means it's got a low pressure. This one is kind of in between. It's not as high a pressure as the artery, but it's not as low a pressure as the vein.